Hey guys, welcome back to Only Mods, and today we're putting on an Ottinger spoiler. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's unbox the spoiler. So I've got a pair of scissors here. Looks like there's possibly a little bit of damage here. But yeah, we'll see what the damage is. Good boy. Good boy. A little bit of damage on that corner that we saw. It's not too bad. Fill up with some of the epoxy. Okay, so there we have it. Okay, so these are made out of plastic, so as you can see it's not entirely straight, so we're going to have to obviously tape it down, bend it into shape. Looks really nice. Give you guys a good close-up look. Looks really nice. It's got the Ottinger. It's very neat. So firstly, you're going to need some cleaning products. We've got some methylated spirits to clean the spoiler nicely, so that all the glue and the 3M tape sticks nicely. Some microfiber cloth to wipe it down. We're using some duct tape because the spoiler that we got is a bit bent, so yeah, we need this to hold it down. It's a bit more sturdy. Some painter's tape to hold the spoiler in place while it's drying. Some M3 tape. Some double-sided tape, and then some stick and seal to hold down the spoiler. Okay, so now get some 3M tape, align those edges up with the 3M tape, and then put some of the chalk in, this stick and seal, and we'll chuck it on the back. So this is what we ended up doing with the tape. Put the tape in these corners, all the indentation sections. Yeah, very neat. So now we're going to take the stick and seal, put it in these little areas. Be nice and generous because you obviously want it to stick nicely. This is what I've done. That little section, this little section, and this little section. Okay, it's nice and thick as you can see, and it will obviously get squashed on the car. So let's install it. Basically what I did is I put this masking tape or painter's tape over the contact points to give it a good firm push down. I'll zoom in a little bit. Can't really see much there, but yeah, it's lined up really nice and neat over here as well. Very neat job. Little gap down there, but it's lined up really neat. Just looks really good. So what we'll do now is we've got to wait 24 hours for the sealer, the stick and seal to cure. So after 24 hours we'll take off the tape and then we'll have a good look. Okay, so it's been 24 hours, so we can finally take off the tape. It has rained here. I had to drive home yesterday evening. So we'll take off the tape and then we'll see how it looks like. It's looking great. Look at that. Looks good. spoiler is installed, looks amazing. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and maybe leave a like, leave a comment, and yeah, see you on the next one. Thanks guys.